Have you been seeing ads for the EpiCooler Portable AC and wondering whether it's actually worth buying? The product is being promoted as a no-installation air conditioner that works all year round. According to the claims, it can cool your room in minutes during summer and even provide warmth in winter. It promises whisper-quiet operation, energy-efficient climate control, coverage for spaces up to 51 square meters, 6 power modes, dual cooling and heating functions, a portable design, remote control with touchscreen access, and built-in safety protection. On paper, it sounds like the perfect alternative to a traditional air conditioner. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. If you're looking at the claims made by EpiCooler, there are several red flags that consumers should be aware of. First, the product is often marketed as a powerful portable air conditioner capable of cooling an entire room quickly while using very little electricity. However, genuine air conditioners require a compressor and a way to vent heat outside. Devices that lack these components typically function more like evaporative coolers or fans rather than true air conditioners. Another red flag is the use of dramatic before and after claims without providing technical specifications or independent testing to support the advertised performance. Statements suggesting that the device can replace a traditional AC unit at a fraction of the cost should be treated with caution. The website also promotes limited-time discounts and urgent countdown timers, creating pressure to buy immediately. These tactics are commonly used to encourage impulse purchases before shoppers have time to research the product. Claims of thousands of satisfied customers and overwhelmingly positive reviews may also be misleading if those reviews cannot be verified on trusted third-party platforms. In some cases, promotional websites display testimonials without providing evidence that they come from genuine buyers. Another concern is the promise of significant energy savings without explaining how those savings are achieved. If a small device claims to cool large spaces while consuming minimal power, consumers should question whether the advertised results are physically realistic. The product is also advertised as being easy to use with little to no maintenance. Yet some buyers report that performance does not match expectations once the device arrives. Finally, if the website lacks clear company information, transparent contact details, or an easy-to-understand return policy, these should be considered additional warning signs before making a purchase. Always do your own research, read verified customer reviews from trusted sources, and avoid making decisions based solely on promotional claims or fear of missing out. When something sounds too good to be true, it's always worth taking a closer look before spending your money.